Hi, it's Laurel and I'm here at Arts Nursery Garden and Gnome, and I'm making another one of our craft kits. This is the Advent Garland craft kit, and it comes with 6 red takeout boxes to put your little gifty in. So you can use it for Advent calendar, or you can use it for a kind of stocking stuffer or stocking garland. Look at this. So you get 6 red, 6 white, you get some pine cones, and then you get some string. And the only things that you're gonna need at home are scissors, and again, glue gun and glue. If you want to decorate these, which I think you should, you can glue some berries onto them, glue little pine cones. I have little bells that I'm going to put on mine. Sparkles, glue and sparkles. So decorate your boxes first. Obviously, if you're doing Advent calendars, you're going to want to put the numbers on so that you can open the little boxes in the right order. If you want to put some little gifties in them, you can do that after you put this together, but if you are going to decorate these, decorate them first. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. It's super simple, and we kept it super simple on purpose so that you guys can add your own touches, and I would just love to see what you do with them. So we've got enough for 12. You're welcome to cut this and make however many on your garland that you want. I just do a little loop at the end. If you're better at knots than me. So I just do a little loop here so that I can hang it on a hook. And then all we do is we're gonna tie a pine cone on. And so you just tie it. Next, you're just gonna tie, and it's good if you sort of hold this in a little bunch or hold it in a tidy loop. And you're just gonna tie your little boxes on. And then you're gonna alternate and you're gonna tie another little pine cone. So if you're using bells, if you wanna tie a little bit of greens or holly on, you absolutely can tie that in between. Get this loop happening around your pine cone. See, because if I can make these, anybody can make these. If you have a hook or something, you can then hook your end one in, and it makes it easier for building. And then I'm just gonna tie this around the white garland, or with the white guy. And so just imagine this with all of your personal little touches. And so what you get is this alternating, glorious little Advent calendar or gifty garland. And check this out, you can put little gifts inside. My personal favorite, chocolate. So once you have your Advent calendar all made, you can put whatever gifts. Uh-oh, that one dropped, I'm gonna have to eat it. No, just joking. You can put them in, and it makes a really cool little gifty thing. So yeah, this is just super simple. You carry on again. You can cut the string and you can do 6 and 6 if you find that long garland of 12 is too much. You can use these as little decorative touches on door frames or the mantelpiece. You can have this in the kids' rooms or your partner's room as a little gifty stocking stuffer, but it's just adorable. Love to see your decorations. Have a great day, guys. Bye.